Welcome to Save Money on Your First Rental Property with DIY Repairs. Hey there, future landlord. Are you ready to dive into the thrilling world of property ownership? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, saving money is always a brilliant move. And guess what? One of the best ways to do that is by rolling up your sleeves and handling some of the repairs and upgrades yourself. Ready to save big on your first rental property? Picture the thrill of watching your hard-earned money stay in your pocket while you boost the value of your investment. By diving into DIY projects, you can slash costs that would otherwise go to contractors and professionals. Even if you're a complete newbie, you can tackle basic repairs and upgrades with these easy steps. From fixing a leaky faucet to painting a room, these tasks are not only doable but also incredibly satisfying. Plus, you'll gain valuable skills that will serve you well in future projects. Let's make it fun, easy, and budget-friendly. Gather your friends and family, crank up the music, and turn it into a group activity. Not only will you save money, but you'll also create lasting memories and maybe even discover a new hobby. So grab your tools and let's get started on transforming your rental property into a dream home. Step 1. Paint like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned painter or a complete novice, the right techniques can make all the difference. Grab a roller and transform your space. Start by prepping your walls, clean them thoroughly, and apply painter's tape to edges for clean lines. A fresh coat of paint is the easiest way to make a property feel brand new. Use long, even strokes to avoid streaks and ensure an even coat. Stick with neutral colors. Buyers and renters love them. Neutrals create a blank canvas, making it easier for others to envision their own style in the space. Don't forget the details. Use a brush for edges and corners to get a professional finish. Mix your paint thoroughly to ensure consistent color. For those hard-to-reach areas, use a ladder and an extension pole for your roller. And remember, ceilings need love too. A well-painted ceiling can brighten up the entire room. Finally, clean up your supplies properly to keep them in good condition for future projects. Step back and admire your work. Your property is now one step closer to being rental ready. Happy painting! Step 2. Fix the fixtures. Update outdated light fixtures and replace old faucets. You'll be amazed at how much these small changes can elevate the look without breaking the bank. Choose energy-efficient bulbs to save on electricity bills and opt for modern designs to add a touch of elegance. Step 3. Floors made simple. Peel and stick vinyl flooring is a beginner's dream. It's affordable, easy to install, and perfect for kitchens and bathrooms. Plus, it comes in a variety of styles and patterns to match any decor. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can transform a room with just a few simple steps. Step 4. Patch and caulk like a champ. Start by filling small holes in walls with a putty knife and spackle. Smooth the spackle and let it dry completely before sanding it down. Apply caulk around bathroom fixtures to seal gaps and prevent water damage. Use a caulk gun for a smooth, even line and clean up any excess caulk. It's quick, simple, and makes a big impact. You've got this. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The journey of mastering DIY repairs is filled with learning and growth. Each project you complete not only saves you money, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment and pride. Embrace the challenge and watch yourself transform into a confident, skilled landlord. DIY repairs don't just save money. They add value to your property and build your confidence. Imagine transforming a dull room into a vibrant space with just a few strokes of paint, or fixing that leaky faucet all by yourself. These small victories add up, making your home more valuable and your skills more refined. Every task you tackle is a step towards becoming a master of your domain. Want more fun ways to make big money in real estate? From flipping houses to renting out properties, the opportunities are endless. Real estate can be a lucrative venture if you know the right strategies and stay informed about market trends. Dive in with enthusiasm and let your passion drive your success. Let us know what other points you are interested in to make your first rental a moneymaker. Whether it's understanding the best locations to invest in or learning how to manage tenants effectively, we're here to help you succeed. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Subscribe to this channel for tips, tricks, and inspiration to crush it in the real estate game. Stay tuned for more content that will guide you through every step of your real estate journey, from DIY repairs to investment strategies. Your success is our mission. Let's build your future together.